Hi everyone, I'm making this video as I want to share something cool and get your thoughts on it. So as you know, I'm quite passionate about education and AI, and now we're getting into 2026. So one question I get quite a lot is how do you get started with learning how to code? And obviously there are so many platforms out there, and now we're in the age of AI, so a lot of things are changing, how people work, how people code, all these things are changing. One thing I believe that many people will agree is the fundamentals don't change. So for example, this is something that almost everyone will agree that if you want to be a good developer, you have to escape tutorial hell. Now, what is tutorial hell? You're just watching videos and you're not applying that anywhere. You're watching a whole React tutorial of 20 hours, but you're not doing anything with it. So you have to break stuff. You have to, get hands-on experience no matter what you're learning, Kubernetes, DevOps, cloud, AI, data structures, web development, mobile development, whatever, doesn't matter. So this is where most people get it wrong. So I have seen there's a very funny stat that a lot of people just buy Udemy courses but never finish it, and that's a good example for it. If you're one of those people who just buy Udemy courses and doesn't finish it, let me know in the comment section below. But that's the challenge we've seen in the industry. So it's not like you just watch a tutorial and that's it. No, you have to apply that somewhere, which is why I say contribute to open source, contribute to real world projects, you get that experience. But what I want to share in this video is a platform. So imagine you're watching a YouTube video or a tutorial video, and where do you code? You code in the IDE, so like VS Code or whatever, your integrated development environment, your code editors. So there's this platform called Scrimba, and what they have done is they have merged both the things. So they have merged the video aspect of tutorials and the coding aspect of tutorials in one platform. The other cool bit is they also give you a path of how to get started. So for example, let me just show you. So let's say you want to be a full stack developer. So it gives you an entire path. By the way, I know the founders as well, and I've played around with the platform myself. Previously, I've been speaking to them for a few months now, and that's why I'm making this video. So honestly, give your honest feedback. I believe they would appreciate it, and highly recommend checking it out. So you can just go to scrimba.com and sign up. But this is the other little question that I get, like how do you get started and in which order? So let's say you want to be a full stack developer, you can get started with their path over here, and you can see it mentions AI engineering as well, so you can learn a bit about that as well. Another cool thing, a hot topic is like MCP. So I mean, if you go to AI, pretty sure you'll find MCP here. Yeah, so intro to MCP, if you learn more about how MCP works and how to set up your MCP server and do a bunch of stuff. By the way, you get certificate of completion as well if you are interested in that. So that's pretty cool. So let me show you, if I click on this one and this one, so you can see it's IDE.
Hey there, my name is Tom Chant, and you'll be hearing from me more as you progress through the full stack developer path.
So make sure you check it out and check out the links in the description if you want to get started. By the way, if they have like data structure algorithms and JavaScript and front end and a bunch of other stuff as well, databases, full stack. So yeah, if you're looking for a dedicated path, highly recommend it. Yeah, big shout out to the founders, and have fun. And year is coming by to an end very quickly. So yeah, good luck. See ya.